Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib as. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib as is our first Imam. Among the 12 Imams of Ahlul-Bayt. On Friday, 13th Rajab, 10 years before the Holy Prophet Muhammad SAW was chosen to be the Prophet, a unique incident took place. In Mecca, Fatimah binti Asad, wife of the Holy the Prophet's uncle Abu Talib, came to the Holy Kaaba and prayed to Allah. Suddenly the wall of Kaaba split open and she entered, then the wall closed behind her. The Holy Prophet's Uncle Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib and his companions who were sitting nearby witnessed this miracle. They tried to open the door of the Kaaba but could not do so. News of this incident spread throughout Mecca. Soon, people came to know that a child had been born in the house of Allah. Such an event had never taken place before. The people of Arabia had put up 360 idols in the Kaaba which they worshipped. The boy born 2 in the house of Allah did not open his eyes for 3 days. He did not look at the idols. On the 4th day, Fatimah binti Asad stepped out of the Kaaba carrying her child. She found the Holy Prophet SAW waiting anxiously to receive the newborn child in his arms. He recited azan and iqama in the child's ears. The Holy Prophet SAW named him Ali, after receiving instructions from Allah through Jibreel. Ali is one of the beautiful names of Allah. It means high, sublime, strong. Abu Talib called him Zayd, Fatimah binti Asad called him Asad. They held a great feast in honor of the blessed child. Once a python creeped into his cradle. He held its upper jaw in one hand, the lower jaw in the other hand, and tore it apart into 2 from the jaw to the tail. On the spur of the moment, his mother said, "My son is Hyder." It means lion. 3. The Holy Prophet SAW was very fond of his cousin. He looked after him, fed him, and taught him one moral lesson every day which Ali as learned and followed. The Holy Prophet fed Ali as with knowledge just like a pigeon feeds her nestling. The bond of love between Muhammad SAW and Ali as were firm. Ali as followed the Holy Prophet SAW wherever he went. One day, when the Holy Prophet SAW went to Mount Hira to pray, Angel Jibreel appeared before him and gave him Allah's message that he had been chosen for prophethood. When he returned home, his wife Khadija al-Kubra and Ali as were the first ones to accept his prophethood. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like videos, click the bell icon for more updates.